Is this MagSafe charger as fast as Apple's? Let's check it out. Dave Taylor here with my iPhone 15 Pro, and since Apple introduced the iPhone 12, they've all had MagSafe for wireless charging. MagSafe's really cool because not only does it give you wireless charging, but there's a magnet built into the back of the phone so that if you use a compatible charger, it sticks. And it not only sticks, but it stays. And what's happening right now is it's charging, and that's all I have to do. No fuss, no hassle, no fitting a cable in the bottom. So really great technology. Lots of people have been getting into the MagSafe design. And Apple continues to sell something that's fairly boring. This is the Apple solution for MagSafe charging, and it's $39. It's pretty spendy for what it is. It's literally a charger and a built-in cable with USB-C, and that's all you get. $39, right? Now, what's happening is that INIU has introduced this. This is the INIU Mag Pro WI-213 15-watt MagSafe charger. It is the same power as the Apple charger. In fact, they say it charges faster than Apple does. We're going to test that. We're going to find out if that's true. But let me give you some specs. It is a 15-watt charger, and here's the secret superpower here is it has a built-in fan on the back. And so the idea of the fan is as it charges, if it's pushing a lot of energy into the device is going to warm up. So the fan helps keep your phone cool so it can maximize the amount of energy getting in and maximize the speed of the charge. Pretty smart thinking. Now, also turns out that this is a kickstand base, and you can of course put your phone in either orientation, but you don't have to because you can pop this out and you can use this just like this. If you want to just have a disc sitting on your desk, you can do that, and that's going to work fine, and it's going to charge that, but you don't have to do that. What you can do is leave it in the stand, which obviously I prefer because I like having it at that angle, and Apple has designed a mode where if your phone's asleep and you put it on a charging stand, then it goes into that display mode, and it's a very nice, simple, elegant solution. And you can also just turn it this way, and now you can have a phone call, you can do FaceTime, you can be checking sports scores while you're working. I mean, you can imagine having it just like this while I'm working makes it super convenient. So very nice design. Now, I can tell you that it also has an 11N mag powered magnet on it, so when my phone's on here, it's not going anywhere, it's staying there. And it also has, and this I think is kind of funny, it has a smart RGB light. I don't know if you could see, but let's see, I think I can do it this way, and you can see in the back there's a green light that comes on, and that's helpful, but your phone covers it up. So I'm not sure that's a huge feature that's going to get people buying the product, but really it's all about charging speed. And I said, well, I'm skeptical. So let's test this out. And so the final product, they're on Kickstarter right now. The final product will include a 20-watt compact charger, but for now, I had to supply my own. So this is a 20-watt charger, and I plugged in via USB-C. It has a 3-foot cable, which is perfect. And I plugged it in, and I waited until my phone was exactly at 43% charge. And then I put it on and let it charge for 30 minutes. And then I doubled that amount of charge, and that got me 68% charge in an hour, which is very respectable. So then I thought, all right, well, let me get my phone back to 43%, which was a little tricky, but I got there. Got it back to 43%, and I used the same 20-watt charger, and this time I used the Apple MagSafe Qi wireless charger, and I hooked it up, and I did again from 43%, I gave it 30 minutes, and then I doubled it, and you know what I got? 68% charge. What does that mean? They're exactly the same speed. What that really means is that this is a heck of a value because it gives you a whole lot more for less money and it gives you the same charging speed. Now, I should mention that as of January 2024, there's a new standard called Qi 2 coming out that will give you an even faster charge. But who knows how long that's going to be, and who knows what phones are going to be compatible. That might start with the iPhone 16, might start with the iPhone 17. For sure, if you have an existing iPhone, then your MagSafe charge is still going to be the first generation of the Qi charging protocol, and that's what these are. So let me tell you the price here, because this is on Kickstarter. It's a little complicated, but before we get there, I'm going to invite you to subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and click on subscribe, click on that bell icon so you get notifications. Give me a thumbs up if you found this of value, and of course, leave me comments if you're so inspired. If you have other ways I could have tested charge speed, I'd love to hear about them. And I always respond to comments, so that's great stuff. All right, cool. This is the INIU Mag Pro WI-213 15-watt MagSafe charger, and it's currently on Kickstarter as I record this. And if you can get in on the super early bird price, then it's $36.99. If you miss that and you're just early bird, then you're okay, it's $38.99. The suggested retail price of the charger and the stand and that 20-watt little charger they're going to include in the box, at least what they say on Kickstarter, will be $65.99. I suspect when they're finally on retail and they're done with Kickstarter and all the Kickstarter fulfillment, it won't be quite that expensive. But for $36.99, remember, this is $39 just for this, and there's no stand. There's nothing very fun about this at all. It's pedestrian, it works, it's an Apple product, so it'll work fine. But this is so much more fun, and I really dig the lighting, but mostly I really like the stand. I like the design of this, and I think this is a solid option. And if you're looking for a wireless charger, or you haven't bothered because you think that wireless charging is too slow, well, you might have another thing coming. It might be time for some education. Definitely worth checking out Kickstarter and looking more about this product. You can find the Kickstarter link right in my description. And if you miss Kickstarter, then they also have their own website at iniushop.com. That link's also in the description. That's all I got. I hope you found this to be helpful and interesting, and I hope to catch you in my next video.